Seems like your dog getting older, but don't know much. It's because your mind does this when you think about what you want to teach them. Oh, and don't get on social media and see what other people dogs doing, because your mind then do this. And some just don't apply themselves. Don't think about nothing, and the mind just be like this. And the answer to why your dog can't learn is because lack of focus. Create a picture. This means map out and imagine how you want the end result to look like. Got to have a goal. You got to have a goal.